Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Dermatological Examination Form. Dermatology is a specialized medical field that involves the diagnosis and treatment of diseases related to the skin, hair and nails. Early diagnosis and management can play a vital role in the general health of patients. In this video, we will start on an open general examination form. For more information on how to access the General Examination Form, please refer to the General Examination Overview User Manual, linked in this video's description. Click on a Review of Systems panel to show additional options. Select the Dermatological Panel. The Dermatological Panel will expand. The user is able to select any of the 4 images relevant to the patient's examination. A video capture screen will open where the user is able to edit the current images or even add additional images. Click on a Close button to return to the Dermatological subpanel without saving the changes made. Click on a Save button to save the changes made and return to the Dermatological subpanel. For more information on how to use the video capture screen, please refer to the How to Upload an Image or Photo user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the General Notes button once to indicate that notes have been made. The General Notes button will turn green, which is an indication that no changes were made within the button. Click on the General Notes button a second time, which turns the panel red. The red is an indication that changes were made within the button and is not within normal range. Click on the Notes text box to make any necessary notes. The General Notes field is a free text field. Click on the General Notes button for a third time to deselect the button and collapse all of the information found within.